If you are a person who is renting for a long period of time and don't have the borrowing capacity to buy your primary house, I have something to tell you. Do you know about rent vesting? Do you know what is rent vesting means? Rent vesting is a simple concept. Instead of buying a home to live in, you rent a property in your preferred location and purchase an investment property in a more affordable or high growth area. For example, you might want to live in a vibrant city like Sydney or Melbourne, where buying a home is very expensive. Instead of spending all your money on a costly property, you can rent there and invest in a more affordable market that offers better returns. Who is benefit from rent vesting? Rent vesting can be a great strategy for many people, including young professionals who want to enjoy city life but can't afford buy there. Families who want to live in a good school zones while investing in a better value areas. And other people, smart investors who want to build wealth without compromising their current lifestyle. It is an ideal option if you want flexibility while still working toward long term financial goals. There are lots of other benefits of rent vesting. So, why do people choose rent vesting? Let us look at some key benefits. First, lifestyle flexibility. You can live wherever you want, close to work, entertainment, or schools, without the financial pressure of an expensive mortgage. Second, the better investment opportunities. You have the freedom to invest in areas with high growth potential and good rental demand rather than being limited to where you work or live. Third, tax benefits. Investment properties offer tax deductions including interest payments, maintenance cost, and depreciation, which can reduce your taxable income. And finally, wealth creation. Rent vesting allows you to start building your property portfolio earlier, taking advantages of the capital growth and rental income without sacrificing your current lifestyle. There are few demerits for rent vesting. Of course, rent vesting isn't perfect. There are few things to consider. First, you are still paying rent even though you are investing. You will need to budget for rent payments while also covering the cost of your investment property as well. Second thing, no first you will not get the first home buy benefits. If you purchase an investment property first, you might miss out on government incentives like first home buyer grant and stamp duty concessions. You will lose those benefits. And finally, emotional challenges. It might feel strange renting a home while owning a property. But remember, rent vesting is a strategic move focused on long term financial growth. So, rent vesting is the right choice for you. If you value flexibility and want to grow your wealth strategically, rent vesting could be a smart option. If you are interested to know more about these, feel free to subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, and I'm happy to give you free strategy call. Feel free to contact me.